Villy wrote in from Sedgefield. He wants to know, has the mass of the Earth changed since it was formed? That's a really great question. First, let's remind ourselves of how planets are formed. Over time, all of the dust, asteroids, and other material in a single orbit clump together. The larger this ball becomes, the better it is at attracting more material to it until eventually you have something the size of a planet. This is where our planet's history gets interesting. About 4.5 billion years ago, it is thought that the Earth was struck by something really big, probably about the size of Mars. This blew a massive amount of rock and dust out into space, and this material subsequently combined to form the Moon. So straight away, we can see that very early on, the Earth's mass would have changed substantially. After that dramatic event, things have calmed down considerably. The Earth still gets hit by large asteroids from time to time. The one that wiped out the dinosaurs was about 10 kilometers across, but most of the material that enters into the Earth's atmosphere is tiny, small pebbles, dust, and so on. When you see a shooting star, that is usually something about the size of a pea. The Earth actually gets hit by a massive amount of this sort of material, probably somewhere between 30 and 70,000 tons per year. So from this we can see that the Earth is putting on mass gradually over time. So how about losing weight? Well, unless there's another massive impact, the Earth won't lose any material naturally. With mankind's various space programs, we have sent material off the surface of the planet, and in the case of the 2 Voyager spacecraft and the various planetary probes, these will never return. But that is a tiny amount of mass compared to the natural fall of meteors onto our planet.